Hi all, in this section let's look at the price elasticity of supply. This is defined as the percentage change in quantities supplied over the percentage change in price. So the percentage change in price is the cause, percentage change in quantities supplied is the effect. Just to let you know here, over here we are looking at the seller's point of view, and the numerical value which we will get from the calculation will be a positive number because quantity supplied and price moves in the same direction. This is a supply curve. We have price on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis. I see 2 points, point A and point B. The point A is the initial point and point B is the new point. I will calculate the price elasticity of supply using the midpoint method. Point A is a combination of price and quantity. So at point A, the price is $650 and the quantity at point A is equal to 10,000, because if you see, the horizontal axis is given to us in thousands of units. Now if I look at point B here, looks like the price went up from 650 to 700 and quantities supplied also went up from 10,000 to 13,000. We use the midpoint method, calculate the percentage change in quantity between these 2 points, which is the new quantity 13,000. From that we subtract the old quantity 10,000, divide by the average of the two quantities. So this is the number we get here. Then we have the percentage change in price, which is 700 minus 650 over the average of 700 and 650. Doing the calculation, this is what we get. So the price elasticity of supply is percentage change in quantity over percentage change in price, and we end up with this number. This number is less than 1. That means the supply is inelastic over this range. If this number was greater than 1, we would say supply is elastic. If this number was equal to 1, we say supply is unit elastic. So over here you see, because the elasticity of supply in our example was less than 1, we said supply is inelastic. It can be greater than 1, it can also be equal to 1. I will talk about equal to 0 in the next slide. Alright, thank you very much for listening to this lecture.